hope you're all having a lovely day. So today I'm going to be doing another one of my like new in hauls. So if you haven't seen one of these before, it's basically where I just show clothing I've like bought and got recently from various shops. So I've got a bit of Topshop, Asos, Zara, and yeah, and a few other stores as well. So yeah, I thought I'd show you them, try it all on for you guys and all of that good stuff. So I'll link everything down below in the description box in case you want to go and buy anything. But I'm now gonna get on with the video, so I hope you enjoy. First thing I've got to show you comes in a little box. So this is some bras. So yeah, a bit random, but I just wanted to like show you them and talk about them for a minute. So they are from the brand Up Bra. That's what they're called, and they specialise in like push-up bras because unfortunately I'm not gifted in this department. I lack boobage, so I need all the help I can get. So I love a good push-up bra. So yeah, I got some bras from Up Bra, and they are sponsoring this part of the video just to let you guys know. But I got a bikini from them like 2 years ago, which I wear all the time. Well, not all the time, I live in England, come on. When I go on holiday, I wear it all the time. So I knew I was going to love their bras, but I've never tried, yeah, actually their bras. So I'm excited to like try them and everything. So the first one looks like this. Obviously it's not the most appealing bra because it's just like a nude seamless bra, but I feel like these are just so handy. Goes under pretty much everything, like t-shirts, dresses, yeah, just everything, doesn't show through. But yeah, basically the back has padding in the cups, but what's special about Up Bra is it has these little like pull clasp things. I'm not sure if you can see, so I might do like a little close-up. But basically you can unhook them, and then, as you can see, and then you basically hook it in depending on how much cleavage you want. So if you want like a lot, then you'll pull it really far over. If you want just, you know, a tiny bit, then you might do it in the middle bit here. So yeah, and then the other bra I got from them is just a black strapless bra. This one does come with straps, so you can attach them, but obviously I bought it mainly to wear strapless. Again, it has those little clasps in the front, and it has these little heart sticker things as well to make sure it stays on. But yeah, love these. I do have a discount code actually, I think, which is for $10 off. So I'll put it on the screen now in case you are going to go buy one. Then you can obviously use my discount. Let's go on to Asos now. So the first thing I got, I've been waiting to come in stock forever. Like I saw this about, I don't know, about a month ago on their website, but it's never in stock in my size, so I check it every few days, and like 2 days ago it came in stock, so I was like, right, add to basket and all of that, bought it and it came, and I love it. It's this little like black off the shoulder kind of Bardot dress, and it buttons down. It's in a linen material, so it's really light and airy for summer. But yeah, I just love it. I just think it's the perfect little dress, and I love black, like little black dresses. I just think there's something so flattering about them, and I always gravitate towards black over like coloured dresses. But yeah, I think it was maybe like £28, and I got mine in a size 8. Next thing I got from Asos is this little like green strapless off the shoulder. No, it's not off the shoulder, it's just strapless little top. So you wear it like that, ties in the middle as you can see, in a ribbed material. I just thought this was something a little bit different. I don't normally wear green, but I quite like the colour. So yeah, I thought I'd pick it up, and I'm not sure how much this was. Let me see. Actually, it doesn't have a tag on to say, but I did get it in a size 8. If I'm being honest, I'd probably downsized another size to a 6, just because it's a tiny bit loose, kind of around the side. So you can tie it, so obviously it's a little bit tighter, but just around the waist area, I do find it's a little bit big. So I wish I'd gone down a size, and then that way it stretches and fits better. But I mean, I am happy with this, to be honest. I might actually return it, I'm not sure yet. I will decide in a bit. Next up from Asos, I got these white jeans. Yeah, so they're in like a straight leg jean style, and they have contrast stitching. You guys know how much I love a bit of contrast stitching, so I had to buy these, and they button up like that. It is a little bit impractical, but you know, I just do it, whatever. But yeah, love these. I wore them the other day with like a black little top, and it looked really cute. So I'm going to show you some bits from Zara now, because I know you guys love my Zara hauls. So the first thing I got is this little skirt. It's in a really cool like rusty material, no, rusty colour, that's the one I mean. I think it's actually in their like beachwear collection, and it does come with like a cobbled top. But I didn't like the top, so I just bought the skirt. I got mine in a size small just because I wanted a little bit of extra length. I did try on the extra small, but it was just a little bit too short for me. So yeah, picked up the small, but it does have a tie around the waist, so you can kind of cinch it in, and it has these little frills and it wraps around. And it was only $19.99, so it's a really good price. And I just think with a little black top or a little white top like I'm wearing now, it would be great for summer. Next up from Zara, I got this like nude ribbed little top. It's just like that, slightly cropped, but it's not too cropped. You can still tuck it into like denim shorts and denim jeans and everything. But yeah, I just think it's a really simple piece. It's good to have in the wardrobe. I wore it the other day with a blazer and denim shorts, and I loved the way it looked. So yeah, I don't think it was too much, maybe like £5–10. And the sizing I think I got in a size small, yeah. Size small, and I love it. Last up from Zara, I just got this plain black oversized shirt. I just felt like I needed one of these in my wardrobe because I don't have one. So I got mine in a size large because I did want it to be really oversized, so I can tuck it into denim shorts and denim jeans and stuff. And it was $29.99. Now for Topshop, so let me show you what I bought from there. Both black items, and the first thing I bought is this just really simple black off the shoulder top. Yeah, there's really not much to say. It's really basic and simple, but I just think it's one of those things you wear so often once you have it. And I got it in a size 8 and it was £22. And then the other thing I got from Topshop is just a black denim skirt. I love the way this fits because it's not tight at all. However, it's just a little bit too short for me, unfortunately. I mean, I wish these come out in the tall style. They do them in petite, but just not in the tall. So I'm hoping they might come out in the tall, because I'll definitely pick one up. But yeah, it's really nice. It was £29. It's in like a faded black, and it's like distressed at the bottom. But I'll try it on for you guys anyway, so you can see what it looks like. But yeah, it's just a little bit too short for me. Right, next I'm going to show you guys some shoes I got. So first pair are from Newlook, and they're just really basic white trainers. Yeah, they have a chunky sole on them. They're like in a leather material, but it's not actually leather, so it's like faux leather. But I've been wearing them loads recently. They're pretty comfortable on the sole. However, I do have to wear blister plasters like on my ankle, because otherwise this really cuts in, which I learnt the hard way when I got like a cut on both the backs of my ankles. So now I put the blister plasters on every time I wear this. But yeah, those are them. And then I also picked up this pair, which are from Ego. They're like the Alexandra McQueen ones. I think the Alexandra McQueen ones, I might be wrong. But they have like the black tab at the back and a chunky sole. The only thing with these, they come up tiny. Like I'm a size 6, and these are also, just dropped something. These are also a size 6, and look at the difference. Like, it's just, yeah, they're crazy. These are so small. I think I might buy like the size 7 or even the size 8, to be honest. Normally I'm like a 5.5, 6. So yeah, these do come up tiny, so if you're going to get them, I would go like a size or 2 bigger. And then the last things I've got to show you are both from Newlook as well. So the first thing is just this little bag. It's in like a wicker material. It's so cute for summer, like with little summer dresses. But yeah, it's really cool. Opens like that. You can fit quite a lot in it, I'd say. But yeah, I just think it's a little good bag for summer. And then the last thing I got is this red cobbled, which is from Newlook. I'll put a picture in of me wearing it, because I collaborated with Newlook on some Instagram posts. So yeah, I picked this one out, but it's like a little red crop top thing, and then the bottoms have this like split down the side. I'm not sure if you can see. So it shows pretty much all your legs, which I quite like for summer. I think it's kind of cool. So yeah, that is everything I've got to show you. I really hope you enjoyed seeing the bits I've picked up recently. Make sure to go check out the description box for links to everything, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!